Hello, my name's Tristram Hooley and I've been giving a series of lectures for the Inland Norway University of Applied Sciences, looking at the context for career. In this final session, I'm going to offer some reflections and also offer you 3 questions to aid you in your reflections. So the central argument of this course is that career is embedded in context. Career is not just our individual psychology, it's not just what we want, it's not just what we believe, but it's how those things interact with the world around us. That's a world which is social, it's made up of people, but it is also physical and environmental as well. We've looked at the labour market, we've looked at how we might critically engage with facts and data, we've looked at neoliberalism, at digitalisation, at automation, at migration, and at environmental change. And each of those factors has hopefully helped to show how context influences individuals' careers. This is not to say that this is a complete and total description of context. Of course, there are many other themes that we could have drawn on, but hopefully these things show both how important context is to career, but also how dynamic career is, how it's changing and how it is going to continue to change. I began with the peso model. I asked you to think about political, economic, social, technological, legal and environmental factors and to use this framework as a way to analyse the context, to think about context and perhaps to help clients and students to do the same. So I'm now going to give you 3 questions. The first question is, how has your career been shaped by political, economic, social, technological, legal and environmental factors? How have these factors interacted with your career decisions? So spend some time thinking about this. I'll now give you the second question. Career interacts with so many factors. There's so much data that could support people in their career management. How are you going to keep up to date without getting overwhelmed? What sources of information do you trust and why? And my third question then is, when you're working with students and clients, the context can often be invisible. It's just how things are. People can't see that there is a context around their actions. How can you help people to see the context within which their career is taking place? And indeed, reflect on how important it is to do this, to help people to recognise context. Is that actually necessary? I hope that you've enjoyed these lectures. I've certainly enjoyed giving them, and I hope to meet you again soon when we're all allowed to come together in the context of Lillehammer once more.